In this video, we're going to show you one of the best parts about ProContent, all the free content available to you right inside of ProPresenter. We know church budgets come in all shapes and sizes. That's why ProContent includes a large library of free media for any church to use. There's no catch, no extra hoops to jump through. It's built right into the software you already use every week. All you need is a free account, and a free account is quick and easy to sign up for and does not require you to put in a credit card. To access it, head over to the ProContent dropdowns and look for the free content section. Here you'll find hundreds of motion backgrounds, still images, countdown timers, and more, all designed specifically for worship environments. We have hundreds of free motion loops for you to use in your services. We know tens of thousands of churches have used these free clips in their services, totaling more than 10 million downloads. And we hope that as you explore what we have to offer as your church grows, you'll consider making ProContent part of your church and volunteer workflow. One of the highlights is our exclusive partnership with The Chosen. We've made over 200 clips from the series available for free. These can be used for teaching, sermon illustrations, or to enhance your worship services with powerful biblical storytelling. Previewing these visuals is simple. Hover over any media item to preview it, and if it works for your service, drag it directly into your slide, playlist, or media bin. It's ready to use, no downloads or no file transfers needed. The free section is constantly growing, so check back often for new content. It's our way of serving the church and helping you focus on ministry without worrying about media budgets. In the next videos, we'll look at how to make the most of worship backgrounds and other premium features. But for now, explore the free section and see how easy it is to enhance your worship services with high-quality visuals at no cost. ProContent is here to equip your team with great media and remove barriers to creativity. Dive in and start using the free content today. It's one of the best ways to see the heart behind what we do.